Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Just 5 minutes away from the Santa Cruz town, you will find this beautiful two-story home consisting of 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms on approximately 1/3 of an acre. You have the opportunity to create an additional outdoor shade structure, such as an Amish country gazebo with a pool to help you relax after a busy day. From the antique marble flooring to the tray ceilings with simple but stylish fixtures will make you feel at home before you know it. Some other features of this house includes a beautiful staircase, neatly laid out kitchen, and spacious backyard. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.